I'm Baylen.
Hi, Baylen, and what are we going to read today?
Bear and boat.
Bear. Let's do the sign for bear. Bear and boat. Because we're using keyword signs, so we're focusing on individual Auslan signs to share the key message. We don't need to sign end. We're just going to sign the key parts of the story. And today it's actually a counting book. Numbers are a really great way to practice your signing. You might like to be doing some counting. Maybe you might like to count your toys or the butterflies you might see in the backyard.
Maybe some socks.
Maybe some socks when you're packing away your washing. Really great ways to practice those counting signs. And Baylen, you're going to show us how to count from 1 all the way through to 10, aren't you? Don't forget when we're doing counting, when we're using Auslan signs, we turn the back of our hand outwards, don't we? So our palm is facing our body. Let's learn how to count from 1 to 10.
Counting 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What your fingers might look like from the other side. All right, now you know how to count from 1 to 10. Let's read the story, Bear and Boat. You might like to make your boat move fast or slow. Let's see what happens in the story. 1, boat. 2, butterflies. I love that sign. 3, bushes. So trace a nice low bush with your hands. 4, berries. What comes after 4, Baylen?
5.
5, flowers. 6, fish. 7, trees. 8, birds. What's after 8?
9.
9, that's a tricky one. You've got to tuck your little finger in. Sometimes, Baylen, you like to use your chest, don't you? Can be a little bit hard. 9, rocks. Tap your chin, rocks. And what's the last number?
10.
10 friends. That was a nice way to count from 1 through to 10 with Bear in his boat. Thanks for joining us today for Story of the Week, and we look forward to signing with you again next time. Enjoy your Sunday. Bye, everyone.